use those kind of hubcaps. Hey, here comes that car we just headed. Let's make tracks to the evidence.
Wait a minute. All right, put those things back on the car, dipstick.
Jeez, what's wrong? We was only holding them for you so nobody would swipe them.
Hey, Nicky. Where'd you get these dice?
What are you doing with this hunky junk anyways?
Hey, what do you mean? This is recycling.
What, do you expect to make out in this sardine can?
Hey, get up, Jerry.
Nice color. What is it? Candy apple primer?
Yeah, that's all right. Wait till I give it a paint job and soup up the engine. She'll work like a champ.
The one and only. Grease lightning. This guy could be System Man. Hydro Man. Maybe Ultra Man. What could be Grease Lightning?
Grease lightning!
Does the four-bell quad, so yeah.
Keep talking, boy, keep talking.
Do the chicks and cut off the front, let it ride, so yeah.
I'm getting ready, I swear I'm getting ready.
With the full speed on the floor, she'll be waiting out the door. You know that it's out, I'll be really naked out of Grease Lightning. Inside in your brain.